Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam and today we're gonna check what we can do with the Carista on a 2006 Audi A8. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and enjoy the video. Okay, so let's start with the diagnose. It should now automatically recognize and connect with the Carista. Okay, let's see what errors you're gonna find here. Adaptive cruise control, 1 fault, battery regulation, 5 faults, roof electronics, 5 faults, ABS, 2 faults, driver ID, ignition authorization. I have just disabled that option on the VCDS. Immobilizer, can you work? Jesus, there's quite a lot of errors on that car. Engine, no faults. Tire pressure monitor, I think it's disabled. Heater, 1 fault. This car had the full service a few days ago. Also had some problems with the lockers on the right side, on the passenger on the right side. So probably the changes on the locks, they produce quite a lot of errors. So I'm gonna need to connect with the VCDS to check that. Okay, let's go back. Customizations. Let's see what we can do. Make sure the ignition is on. It's normal to see dash warnings. Okay, so let's check what we can code on that car with the Carista. There's not too many options as I can see. So let's check the first one, dings and warnings. Seatbelt warning is disabled.
Here's what I found.
Displays and nav, hidden green menu. Okay, it's enable. On RS model, microphone sensitivity, oil level in MMI disable. Let's check if we can set up now. Also need the subscription. Battery level. Okay, I've got it. Owner's manual, navigation, this eject button. Enable language and units. Okay, so it's set to English. Daytime running lights, yes, alright. Exterior lighting configuration, region order. Lower headlights for traveling to right hand drive or left hand drive to country. Interior configuration for 12 lights, it's all everything. Enable locking beep and blink. Oh, that could be a nice feature, but also need the subscription. I think I'm just gonna buy it to check what we can do here. Parking sensors, windows and sunroof. There's everything, yes. So there's not too many options. And on the service. So it looks like on the free version you can do actually nothing. You just need to buy the subscription. It's not actually that expensive, but if you want to try it all the time, I think the better would be just get the VCDS. I know that could be easier just to use the Carista, that little dongle with just your mobile phone, but you can do just more with the VCDS. Alright, service indicator reset. I had the service few days ago, but also I cannot do that. Like you see, there are the prices in the Polish zloty, but in the euro it will be for 1 month something about €10. 3-month subscription would be about €20, and 12-month subscription it could be about 40 or 50 euro. So actually I can do nothing with that. So let's maybe check. Just gonna buy the Pro version now for just 1 month, and we'll see what can do. I'm also planning to do the same video about the Audi A8 and the VCDS, but VCDS probably everyone knows. So on the final movie with those diagnostic dongles, I'm gonna do the comparison between Carista, Audi A8 and the VCDS, and maybe gonna do some giveaway for you. Okay, so let's get the Pro version. Things and warnings, log beep, save, yes. Just 1 month subscription, and we'll see what we're gonna be able to do. Yes, please buy it. I'll try to save. Of course I'm gonna test that in a minute, but we'll see. Okay, looks like it's coded. What else I was trying to play nav, enable. I think that was just the one function here. Doors and alarms, all doors on first press, unlock. Okay, so let's go to the diagnose and let's check if we can now remove the errors. Probably we're gonna be able to do that. And I hope now I'm gonna be able to check the details. Okay, I can see the details now. Sound system trouble speaker front left. Now I got broken the rear left. The telephone is not coded. Okay, let's remove all the errors. Shame that there is no option to remove all at once. I cannot remove that error. Tire pressure monitoring is switched off. Auto lowering suspension. Central electronic. Okay, so let's remove all of them. Gateway. I have also installed the Apple CarPlay unit on that car, so probably some parts of that can come from the CarPlay installation. As I was disconnecting some stuff just on the running car. Adaptive cruise control. It works fine. Okay, so still got the 4 faults. Let's go back and check again. I know that I'm supposed now to start the car, turn off and check errors. Yeah, some of them just going back. Media player position 2. Okay, because I have connected there the Xiaomi Mi TV stick for the rear seat entertainment. So it's going back, either file to check. I think it's about the footwell heater on the left side because it doesn't work. And sound system front left, no, there should be the rear left. Treble speaker and telephone is not coded. Right, Let's go to the service now, and we're gonna try to reset the service. After that, I'm gonna just turn off the ignition and we check if the beeping is enabled when locking or unlocking the car, the alarm beep. Service indicator reset. On that car, I'm changing the oils and all the filters every 10,000 kilometers. It's a V8 4.2 TDI, so I just want to make sure all oils are okay. Right, so you have successfully reset the service indicator. I don't see anything on the car. What we have electronic parking. Okay, it's making the test. Detailed ECU info. And we got here some information about the electronics in my car. Oh, that's nice because it's showing also the error code. So maybe I'm gonna just make a copy of that. And we got here also the emission test, but probably I will not be able to do that. And that's all. I think the Audi A4 had a bit more coding options than Audi A8, but I'm not sure if it's still worth the money. As you know, on the VCDS side you can do loads of more stuff than on the Carista. So on the next time I'm gonna take the OBD11 to make that test and comparisons on the both cars, on the 2014 A4 and 2006 Audi A8. But for now, what I think about the Carista is not bad, but is it not the best tool what you can use on the Audi cars. It could be nice just for if you want to just check the errors when you are outside of your home or you cannot contact with your mechanic and you wish to check the errors. Also, you can check the details about the ECU errors without having a subscription, which is, I think, just a bit overpriced for that functionality of the Carista. Right, so let's check if I have coded the alarm beep by using that Carista. Okay, so let's check if I lock the car, there will be the alarm beep. Oh, it's actually working fine. I'm surprised, to be honest. What about the unlocking? No, there is no sound, just on when locking the car. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video will help you to make the decision if you want to buy the Carista or not. In my opinion, it's not worth, just better to get the VCDS. But please wait also, because I'm gonna make the overview of the OBD11 soon, and we'll see which one is the best. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you wish more weekly updates on upgrading my Audi net, and see you in the next movie.